also some definitions we have begun. Here also I would like to begin with the chemistry. Chemistry related pattern. So here some definitions related to the physics of chapter number 1, motion is given here. So here you can see some of the definitions. You can see motion here, you can see acceleration, you can see speed, you can see velocity, distance, displacement, retardation, or many more. But these definitions are crucial for your exam. So here, first and foremost is, whenever definition will be asked, question will be like this: define motion. What is motion? Define speed and velocity. Define distance and displacement. Define acceleration and retardation. Okay, so like that questions can be asked. So it doesn't mean that straightforward question I will give you in a question paper. It may be differ, but answer remain same as I mentioned in the chemistry also. So first is motion. Motion is what? Already defined. An object change its position it is defined as motion. So here change and time. These two words are crucial in this definition. So here an object change its position with time. It is defined as motion. An object change its position with respect to time. That is also motion. So here change with time. You will get mark, but full marks you will not get. Here object should be there. Okay, that also you need to take care. Without object, nothing will change. Whether how much time you will take. So an object change its position with respect to time. With time, that is defined as motion. Next, acceleration. It is a rate of change in velocity. So here first I want to define this velocity and speed. The speed is what? The total distance covered. Okay, total distance covered. But the speed of an object is the distance covered per unit time. Distance per unit time. Distance per unit time. So here speed, distance per unit time. Okay, so like that also we can define. So the speed of an object is the distance covered per unit time. We define as a speed. Now velocity is what? Velocity is the displacement per unit time. It is the displacement per unit time. So it is a displacement per unit time. So that is our velocity. So velocity is the displacement per unit time. That is velocity. So my dear students, you are clear? Speed and velocity. Speed is an object is the distance covered per unit time. Distance covered per unit time, that is speed. And velocity is the displacement per unit time. That is velocity. Now next is distance and displacement. As you have seen the speed and velocity, the terminology displacement you have seen. So distance is what? What is the distance? The distance is the total path covered from one place to another place. Okay, total path covered by an object from one place to another place, from one position to another position. That we consider as a distance. Okay, from here to here distance. We are using generally the word distance means total path. Total path. It may be in meter, it may be in kilometer, or vice versa. It may be small or big also. So distance, the total path covered displacement definition. Displacement, the shortest distance covered from initial to final position of an object is called displacement. Okay, now next you can see here another two terminology, both are interlinked: acceleration and retardation. Acceleration, the rate of change in the velocity, that is an acceleration, increasing the speed, accelerate, you know that accelerate, okay. So acceleration, the rate of change in the velocity of an object, it is called acceleration. And the retardation is what? It is a negative acceleration. What is negative acceleration? Means decreasing velocity. Decreasing velocity, there is a retardation. It may be asked in exam, retardation of a body. It may be in MCQ. Retardation of the body is positive acceleration, negative acceleration, zero acceleration, or constant speed. So retardation of a body is negative acceleration. Remember, it can be asked in MCQ also. So here negative acceleration, that we consider as a retardation. So acceleration clear, the rate of change in velocity of an object, that is called acceleration. So motion, acceleration, speed, velocity, distance, displacement, and retardation. These are the crucial and very much important terminology in your chapter 1, and it may be asked in different format. Distinguish or differentiate between speed and velocity, distance and displacement. In that, if you know, acceleration are of two types. Two types are there. That is a positive acceleration, negative acceleration. Okay, and motion also we have two types.